Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Chad F. in Texas. Getting started on your Lescom LC 994 V100. And it's called V100 because of that right there. Okay, I have tested it. Everything works great. And I'm getting started on it right now. More to come. Okay, just wanted to show you some of the improvements. Got your CP1 installed. I got some hot glue around the wires so that they don't break. They're very small. Okay, and got hot glue holding it in place. It's not going to go anywhere. I may have told you guys before, but the way you get hot glue loose is either freeze it and break it, or if it's down in amongst wires like this is, you can just soak it with alcohol. A regular isopropyl alcohol will do, and it turns loose of whatever it's stuck to. Okay. Alright, replace the buffer filter for your voltage regulator. It was a 1000, it's now 3300. Same for the DC input voltage. It was a 1000, it is now 3300. Okay. I've installed your 15 kilohertz wide 10.7 IF filter. It replaces the 25 kilohertz wide IF filter. And what this does, folks, is improve your adjacent channel rejection. In other words, let's say your home channel is on channel 18, but you know that truckers come by your house on channel 19. This will help cut down some of the bleed over that you hear on a channel next to the one that you're on. Okay. It adds about 3 dB rejection, which is quite a lot. But it goes from 25 kilohertz wide down to 15 kilohertz wide, which narrows the bandwidth of the IF section. Okay, replaced your first RF amplifier, and of course did our changes to the bias in the receive circuit there for improved receive. Okay, more to come. Okay, Chad, pretty much got everything done. Got the bias voltages set on your finals. They always come from the factory set a little too high. Went through and did the alignment. The radio's been completely aligned. Got the new frequency crystal in there for the new bands that you wanted. Also got the fine-tune clarifier unlocked, so both fine-tune and coarse tune are moved with transmit and receive. And there's your high cut switch. The radio's upside down now. Let's see. There it is right there. Okay. With the radio upside down, that's off. Up will be on when the radio's right side up. Okay. Let's see, what else did I need to show you? That's pretty much it. I think I pretty much showed you everything. But there's your new crystal. So that rebands the radio, moves it up, what is it, 900 kilohertz? 450 times 2, yeah, 900 kilohertz. And like as I've already showed you the improvements I've done inside there. And this guy here has fans underneath here. You can't see them now for the shield, but underneath the shield there's either 1 or 2 fans under there. I can't remember now which. But you need to make sure that there's plenty of room for it to get air underneath there. I know you said you're going to use it as a base station in order to make a really nice base station. Okay. Your power cable's good and heavy. Just make sure that you got a good power supply. I would recommend of at least a 50 amp power supply, because the radio is going to do a little over 200 watts peak. So you need a good power supply. Switched power supply at 50 amps would be good. And my little QJE 50 amp handles this one okay. So I think you'll be all right too. All right. Okay. Let me finish putting it together, and we'll do some receive and transmit test. Be right back. Okay, Chad. First thing I want to tell you, I got it all put back together. Get rid of this protective covering that's on here. Don't leave that on the radio, because I keep saying that I'm going to find that one that somebody left on there for 3 or 4 years, show you what it looks like. This stuff will turn really hard, okay, and the glue that they use, the adhesive that they use on it, stays on the radio. If you peel the plastic off, the adhesive stays on the radio, and it's a bitch to get off. Goo Gone works pretty good. I got it, a couple of them that I've done, I took all that adhesive off with Goo Gone, or a good something like 626, which or 226. Let's see, CRC 226. I don't even know if they make this stuff anymore. I bought a case of it a long time ago. There it is, CRC 226. It lubricates electrical. It's safe for use on all plastics. It works pretty good to take the adhesive off too. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, Chad, got her all put together there, buddy. She's ready to go. Alright, just wanted to show you the receive. Here it is on AM, and I've got the signal generator set on 30% modulation with a 100 microvolt signal. We're reading the Nest 9 on the meter. Okay, that's on AM. Switch to sideband, we're reading the Nest 9. I remembered to wait and adjust the meter after I got through doing the receive improvements. Okay, now let's do some power checks. This guy here is on the times 2.5 scale, which is that top scale there. That's 200. Right over here in the corner is 250. That little mark right there in the middle is 225. They both have 100 watt slugs in them. And like I said, I got this meter set to 2.5 times, or times 2.5, however how you want to say it. The RMS meter is 100 watt. We'll be reading on the bottom scale there. Okay, I'm on channel 38, lower sideband. Hello, audio, audio, hello, hello, audio, hello. That was about 275, I think. Audio. You can see we go past 100 watts on RMS. That's on sideband. And that's RF power turned all the way up, by the way. We're dead keying a little over 50 watts. Audio. 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 We're past 250 on AM power. You can hear the fan come on. Okay. Either fan or fans. But make sure that you got plenty of room underneath this guy. Okay. And all the functions do work. I'm back on the AM now. There's your plus 10 KC switch to pick up the missed channels. Echo, well, let's see, I might be able to show you on this radio. Hello, hello. Okay, AM. Let me turn the RF gain down on this guy. Hello, audio, audio, hello. He's not on AM. Let me switch modes. Hello, audio, audio 1, 2. Okay, that's no echo at all. Alright, and this is just echo. Hello, hello, audio, audio, hello. Echo, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, echo. Okay. turn the time up. Echo, 1, 2, echo. Echo, 1, 2. Okay. Turn that back off. And noise blinker and everything works. This cuts off the display. Of course, this is all in the manual. You know, you'll be able to see all that in the manual. The center position is SWR. And I'm in a dummy load, so that's about right. Your lowest power setting on AM. That's what? That's about 10 watts there. 10, 11 watts. That's your lowest power setting for dead key. And then what is that, about 55 watts? Dead key with power turned all the way up. Okay? Let's see, your lowest channel. $26,065. Okay? Your highest channel now is $29,655. Alright. CB is on C-band. And you got all kind of slide in this puppy. 397 down. 419 up all the way. Okay. I think that about does it. This is our latest Lescom version radio. All right. Chet, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3, everybody.